Hey everybody, Daddy, I just wanted to prove that we are not dead. I've had a lot of stuff to do this weekend, trying to get it all taken care of, still trying to have a life. It's insane, but we're going to play something called ClusterTruck, and you're probably going to see me die a lot. And I have no idea how to play it, so let's jump into this, see how bad it goes. Whoa, whoa. Exit jump. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I died. So there's no... You get one jump. Okay, okay. I sprinted and I went right off the... Alright. Let's go to the next level here. Yeah, I did. Alright, here we go. Oh, I'm dead again. Sorry, I had to get too ahead of myself. Oh, man. Lots of dying here, folks. Oh, God. They weren't kidding. Man, you gotta land right on it, I guess. Oh, come on, they separated. Alright, we're gonna get through this. Actually, I haven't... Getting too ahead of myself. I haven't died as much as the streamer I was watching, so I feel good. I always just stay in the middle and though, just like... Oh my God! Oh! God, I was right there. I don't know, that was off the seat of my pants. Let's see. I'm like bouncing off the back. And they're wrecking everything. That's probably going to be the next thing. I was trying to slingshot again. Oh my God. You gotta be careful not to spaz. Like I just spazzed. That turn gets me. Right through the middle. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna jump through the turn, and I'm gonna fall right in the middle. Jeez. Alright, let's do this. Jump and do that at the same time. We're gonna make it past it. Come on. This thing is supposed to be following my face, by the way, but it's not. I'm gonna have to fix that here in a second. Alright, hold on a second. This is weird. Alright. Hey, there we go. Make this a little smaller. Alright. ClusterTruck, let's go. This sucks. Man, that sucks. good. Okay, here comes the turn. Oh. I can just ride. Are you kidding me right now? Playoffs? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Playoffs? Oh, this is gonna get wild. Oh, there's trucks flying everywhere. Some of these trucks are gonna freak out. Get up there. Jump. Let's go. Oh my god. We did. Let's see what happens here. Level 17, baby. Power Rangers. It's like Voltron. They're coming together. My son loved this game. No, no, no. No, no, no. Good. Like the rage factor on this could hit like a million. Especially with Voltron. Z formation here. Oh god. Oh no! No, that's BS, man. I made it through that ridiculousness. Look at this. Let's get him. Leg out. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Oh my lord. Oh, I wanted to hit that so hard. That would have been like instant highlight right there. It does seem like a nice launch ramp to jump on, baby. I'm just trying to get through this level. God. I already feel good because I've seen people that can't even get past this part. I guess I shouldn't hold down the shift button the wrong time, so. Wow, that's ridiculous. What the... God. Those rocks right there. I wonder if there's any... It'd be nice if there was something that went outside of the crushing rock there. No, no, no! A lot of this has to do with luck, maybe. Nah, it's skill. It's skill. You gotta get skill. I can only say like Haber, but it's skill. Some nerd somewhere is raging. How can you not make that jump? Chase a pig, what's wrong with you? Oh boy. Oh boy, I can't see. I can't see. Get out of the rocks. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I can't see. On the rocks. I need a truck, please. Oh. This way. No. No. Boom. That's right, son. That's right. Alright, one more. God, these trucks are moving like crazy. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to call it there because I want to make quite a few parts of this. This is really fun. I love it. It's called ClusterTruck. Love you guys. We're back.